So you can see right here on my affiliate dashboard, over $34,000 in referred revenue, and my direct commission, which is all profit, is $12,050. So how did it happen? What's going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And in this video, I'm going to be going over specifically how I was able to make profit over $12,000 just from one specific affiliate income stream. So a lot of people have been requesting this video, so I'm going to go ahead and make this video and break down each aspect of it, of how I was able to do it and exactly how I did it, and exactly how you can do the same exact thing. So I can't promise you're going to make this much money. I can't promise you're going to make any money at all. But what I can do and what I will do is show you the fundamentals and show you what you need to do in order to gain the experience, in order to, make this specific amount from one stream. So let's go ahead and just break down the actual first story part of this before we get into all the detailed stuff onto my computer. So to keep it simple, to keep it short without trying to drag this out forever, what happened exactly was a little over a year ago, actually, I was using one specific software. I was posting daily videos on YouTube, how I am right now. And I was just using this software and I was like, this is actually something that I use. I think it could be beneficial for other people. So how could I get this out to other people and provide some kind of value, but also get some kind of value back for my exchange of promoting this specific software? And I did a little bit of thinking. I was like, all right, there's other people that talk about affiliate income streams. I've done affiliate stuff before. So why don't I see if this specific software has an affiliate system? And I did my research. I found out they have an affiliate system, so I was like, all right, perfect. I'm just gonna make a video walking through this software, how I use it, why it benefits me, how it can benefit you. Not really just trying to sell something, but it was actually something that I used every single day and that I thought could be beneficial for others. And it was. And I made this specific video. It got a decent amount of views. If you go back on my channel, you can probably find it. I'm not gonna tell you the exact software, but I promoted it a little over a year ago. You can go check it out. And a lot of people ended up signing up and using that specific software. So, as I showed there at the beginning of the video, you see how much sales came from that one specific video. I think it was like over $34,000 to that software directly. Now, that wasn't all at one time. So I know this title is How I Did This in an Hour. And the reason why I said an hour is because it took me probably only an hour to make this specific video that made all this money for me. So $34,000 in referred revenue to the software. And then I got 30% of that, which was a little over $12,000 as you saw. And that is direct money that is paid to me via PayPal. And the thing is, I didn't get all that $12,000, right after posting that video, or I didn't get paid all that $12,000 just right now. That is over the span of between now and when I posted that video. So the thing about softwares, about owning one or just even being an affiliate for one, is you're most of the time getting paid monthly. So for Shopify, they do it a little bit different. For their affiliate system, what happens is, let's say I have my link, which I don't anymore because they shut me down. I have a video about that if you want to go check that out. But what they do is they give you your link, and if someone signs up, let's say for example, the $29 a month plan, then you will get double that. So if they sign up for $30 a month, then I'm going to get paid $60, but I'm never going to get paid again, even if they pay for 5 years in the future. So Shopify probably did that a little bit smart because they're going to make a lot more than that initial, expense from the start. But a lot of people are captivated, like, oh, I'm getting double. They'd rather have that quick buck up front rather than the long-term cash flow. So, with Shopify, you're just getting double what they're earning, but only for one single month. Now, a lot of people that sign up for Shopify and pay for their, first 30 days are most likely going to pay for it over and over because either one, they're actually using it, or two, they're going to forget about it. And that's how it is with most software. So this $12,000 that I earned, I've actually earned over the past year. So it averages out to a little under $1,000 per month, which is, my car payment with insurance. So it's paid for that for a year, which is pretty good. And it's probably not going to continue to do that well. I haven't been making consistently $1,000 a month, but that's what it averages out to if I divided it. From the start, it was okay. And then it started to get some views and it did really well. And now it's averaging, a few $100 per month, which is still good. I can't complain about it because I haven't constantly promoted. It's been from that one specific video that I made showing the exact software and how I utilize it to benefit someone else, specifically my audience. So now what I want to do is actually hop on my computer and show you guys exactly sort of my structure of how I framed it and how you can do the same exact thing. So I'll see you on my computer. All right, so we're on my computer now, but before I actually show you guys how you can do the same thing, I just want to show you guys that, this is actually money that I've made from this, as you can see on the right. So it shows pending for current, money that I haven't been paid for. and then the ones that I've already been paid for, how much it was when that sale was made and how much I made off of this specific sale. So some of not all of them are 30%, some are 5% because it's someone that signed up under my link and then someone else signed up under theirs. And then I'm getting 5% of the sale that original person made. So some affiliate systems have just one tier where you get 20%, 30%, whatever it is. And some will have the 2-tier or 3-tier, which is pretty uncommon because, 5% isn't a huge jump. But if you have people making consistent money that signed up under your link, then you're going to be able to make a lot more over time. So I'm not sure how much I've made specifically off of that 5% tier 2, but I know a majority has been from the, tier 1, 30%. So now let's get into this Google Doc I have right here. How can you do the same? I'm going to keep it pretty simple and down to the fundamentals. I'm not going to sugarcoat. I'm not going to try and just, show you something that isn't really true that you can't really do. I'm going to give it to you straight up, because the way I did it, it was pretty simple. I had an audience of where I was providing value, showing different things within e-commerce. And this was just, my goal with this wasn't to make a bunch of money. It was just to provide value and show a software that I use consistently. Now I see a lot of people within affiliate income streams, they're just showing stuff to try and make money. They're just trying to make that sale, which, there's nothing wrong with just getting commission, but you're basically just a salesman at that point and not really just trying to offer value. And people can tell, offering value versus salesman. So, I'm going to keep it more towards value here and showing you guys how to do this. So how can you do the same? Let's go ahead and make this clear. So what you do is, first off, I would recommend you just identify a service or product that you find valuable. So it doesn't matter if it is a software you use for your real estate company, or maybe you work a job, or maybe you're even a student. If you have something that you use as a resource as a student, whether it's some kind of, online forum community for math, it doesn't matter what it is. If there's something that you're paying monthly for, maybe it's a flashcard. I know this firsthand actually because I'm actually still in high school. I'm a senior. I'm 18 years old. But there's a software, I don't want to consider it a software, but I'm paying for this website like $10 a month to make flashcards on it because I have to do my flashcards and I don't like writing, so I'm going to do them there on my computer. I'm paying $10 a month for that. So let's say if I'm a student, I would identify that service and be like, all right, I think this would be beneficial for other students because they don't have to write their flashcards. They'll be able to make it digital and make it a lot easier to study and all that stuff. And that's what I would do is I would see, all right, maybe do they have an affiliate link? All right, if they do, I'm going to share it with my friends. I'm going to post it on my Instagram and be like, hey guys, I've been using this for my flashcards. If you want to use this same thing that I'm doing and get all of these benefits, you would talk about the benefits, and then people are going to sign up. Now, for me, I don't know exactly how. I'm going to be honest. I don't know a bunch about passive income and creating these affiliate income streams for people that don't have a current audience. Maybe you have 0 followers, or you have nobody you really can refer stuff to. Then I can't give you the perfect method to making thousands and thousands of dollars per month. I've been able to leverage my audience in current businesses to make money through these affiliate income streams, but I've been focused more on the value instead of just selling something. And I see a lot of people do this just to sell stuff and make money, which I said there's nothing wrong with. It's just a different avenue that I have not gone down. I mean, technically I have way back when I was getting affiliate commissions where this range of apps, let's say this app development company would pay this middleman, which is the company, let's say it's called Orange, and then what would happen is this company is going to pay X company Orange $10,000 to get 10,000 app downloads or whatever. Then they're going to get people like me, who is an influencer on Vine and Instagram, to download and promote these apps. And then I would get paid X amount. It usually ranged from 25 cents all the way to $2.25 per app download that I got. And that was my way of making money as an affiliate, way before. I didn't have to create a product. I didn't have to create a service. I was just leveraging my current audience. So that's what I've experienced with, here in the affiliate income stream space. See if it has affiliate capabilities, which is going to be a big thing. A lot of softwares do, but there are, that handful that don't. But let's say you have a product that you want to refer to your friends, your family, whatever. Amazon has an affiliate thing for all of their products that you can, promote. If you go to big YouTubers like Casey Neistat, some other film people, even I think I've seen Graham Stephan do it in his link in the description. There's a link that goes to an Amazon thing that he created that shows all the different products that he uses for his equipment, and then he's getting commission off of that. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just, utilizing a resource that he already has, providing value by showing people the equipment he uses, and then making money off of that. And that goes with Graham Stephan, Casey Neistat, everybody else that does it. That's just business. So share its benefits and uses to people that relate specifically to it. You can't promote something that doesn't relate to anybody at all. If I was promoting a headphones product here to my audience, it wouldn't really relate because, I have a business audience. You guys watching this right now are people that want to make money, people that, want to learn how to build a business, not people that really necessarily care about listening to music. I'm sure there's a decent amount of people out there that watch my videos that do listen to music, including myself, but it's like, I don't really have an audience of people that care just about, like, you're not watching me to learn about different headphone brands. You're watching me to learn about how to make money online. So you want to cater to your specific niche, that you think you are sort of known for or in. So you make money, you provide value, and everybody wins. So I'm going to give an example here right now of exactly how I would do the same thing. So I already did the example of the flashcards, which I wasn't planning on doing, but I had this set up where I was going to do this and then have you guys, if you wanted to buy, I could show you guys, all right, this is the link and you're going to make money, or I'm going to make money off of it if you guys actually use it. But let's say I'm following the sequence I listed right here of identifying a service or product that I find valuable. I see if it has affiliate capabilities, and then I share its benefits and uses to other people that relate specifically to it. Then I make money, I provide value, and everybody wins. Just keeping it short and brief right there. So Connect.io is actually a software that I use. I've been paying for probably over a year now. I pay, I think, $50 a month, a little under that, like $47 a month, to use Connect.io, which is essentially just a power pixel. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you about the benefits. This isn't a whole video where I just talk about it. This is just me being honest and straight up and showing you guys, this is an affiliate link. I'm going to make money if you guys sign up under my link, but this is how it works. This is how I would structure something. I'm going to find a software. All right, Connect.io, I use this on the daily. So how is this going to be beneficial to you guys? Most of you guys following me are related to e-commerce and owning your own e-commerce store. You have a personal brand or something like that. So what I use Connect.io for is super in-depth retargeting to get the most out of my data, basically, not necessarily just audiences, but data in general. Because, with Facebook ads, when you're creating custom audiences, retargeting has always been the most profitable for me. But you're sort of limited on Facebook. You can't really track all the metrics that you really want to track and retarget people with, because the more specific you retarget people with, the more profitable and the better your click-through rate is going to be, and your cost per purchase is just going to be a lot better in general. You connect it to your ad account, and what it's going to do is you're going to be able to make audiences specifically here in Connect.io. As you can see, all these different things right here. I'm going to keep it more simple though. I'd go to create audience. I'm going to select the power pixel. It's going to show the ID of what the actual pixel is, the numbers, and then I'm going to name it whatever, and then the URL parameter is the same thing as Facebook. So basically what you're doing is creating an audience here, and whenever you make it, it's going to automatically push it into your audience section of your ads manager. So what you can do right here is a lot different than what Facebook just initially offers you for retargeting stuff. So what I can do, I can make audiences of people that have spent a specific amount of time on the site. I can make it specifically towards people who have scrolled on my site, browser language, number of visits, all this stuff that you can't really track on Facebook specifically. So what you're going to be able to do is make a lot more in-depth, specific, narrowed down demographic audiences that will be a lot more profitable than your average one. Because imagine this, if I do time on site right now and I set it to is at least 40 or 60 seconds, that's going to be people that were sitting there. They're pondering, all right, do I want to buy this? Do I not want to buy this? And what that's going to do is allow you to retarget them and be like, hey, I know you were there for a while, maybe making the decision. What's holding you back? What's your objective? What can I do to help you actually buy? And maybe offer a discount code. Those are questions I would ask myself. I'd put myself in the person's space. If I was spending 60 seconds on a product page or whatever the page may be, how am I going to get them to actually go through, opt in, buy the product, whatever it is? So if you want to sign up, if you want to use Connect.io, there's going to be a link in the description. Yes, it's an affiliate link. I don't remember exactly what the commission rate is, but I get money if you sign up and you pay. And I think it's going to be very beneficial for those of you that have an e-commerce store already. If you're getting constant traffic all the time, then I would recommend this. If you're just getting started and you don't really have any traffic consistently, then I wouldn't worry about Connect.io website retargeting. But if you are getting traffic, take use of it. This is how I would make money from an affiliate income stream. I don't think I've actually made a video promoting something like this for a while. I've had companies reach out to do sponsorships, but I've never really been into it. I'd rather just share stuff as I go on, sharing things that I actually use on a day-to-day basis. So, I want to make a more in-depth retargeting video eventually, but I just want to give you guys an example for making money off of an affiliate income stream and offering some kind of value and showing you guys the benefits. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video on how I made over $12,000 in technically 1 hour from making one little video on YouTube. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.